In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a mobile membership app for phones using GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean course inside your membership area and an automation that grants access to the right people instantly. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the main dashboard, head to the Memberships section. Memberships let you package content, like courses, lessons, and community spaces, behind controlled access. They're perfect for delivering training on mobile, offering free or paid programs, and managing who sees what. Open Courses and then Products. This is where each course or program lives. Click Create New, and for this walkthrough, choose Start from Scratch. You can also use Import if you already have a course or want to bring in a template. Import is helpful for reusing proven structures. Add your course title, then type a concise description. Make it clear, outcome-focused, and benefit-driven, so members know exactly what they'll get. Next, upload a thumbnail. This image becomes your course cover in the mobile app, so use brand colors, high contrast, and minimal text for easy recognition on small screens. Click to upload and confirm. Set up pricing. For this example, choose free. You can also set a one-time price, a subscription, or payment plans. Great for premium programs. Free works well for lead magnets or onboarding content and removes any paywall friction. Click Create Course to generate the course shell. Now you can edit the contents of your mobile app. Build your outline with sections and lessons, add videos or PDFs, and rearrange with drag and drop. Keep lessons focused and short for mobile viewing. You can also add captions, summaries, or quick downloads to boost completion. Next, open Automation. Automation ensures members get access without manual work, sends timely messages, and keeps your operations consistent. Create a new workflow. Choose Start from Scratch here. Other options include using pre-built templates or importing an existing workflow if you already have a framework you like. Rename your workflow clearly so it's easy to find later. Add a new trigger. A trigger is the event that starts your automation. Select Order Submitted. We use this because it fires right after someone completes checkout or claims a free product, so only confirmed members get access. Save the trigger, add an action, and choose Grant Private Channel Access. This assigns the member to the correct group or channel inside your app, so they immediately see the right content or community. Select the appropriate group, then save the action. Finally, publish your workflow and save. Your mobile membership app is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.